Monday Minute at Automation Direct. Automation Direct has been offering safety products for years so that we can be your one-stop shop for automation products. We now offer SSP safety enabling switches, also known as hold to run or dead man switches. When used in conjunction with a properly designed safety system, they provide the operator with a special control mode for tasks such as slow speed and jogging motion for maintenance or debugging of hazardous equipment. These switches consist of a spring return 3-position grip button that must be maintained by the operator in the middle position for the machinery to continue operating. In addition to the grip button, models are available that include a built-in e-stop, LED indicators, additional push buttons for auxiliary functions, or an activity sensor to detect when the switch is in its home position. These switches have an ergonomic design so they can be used in the right or left hand. All models come in a rugged IP67 enclosure and are easy to use even with gloved hands. These SSP safety-enabling switches and accessories come with a 1-year warranty and offer these agency approvals. Learn more on the safety products we offer by visiting AutomationDirect.com/safety. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.